Thank you, madam. My subject is inclusion of tenant farmers from Goa under PM-KISAN Samman Nidhi scheme. I rise to draw the attention of the government to the urgent need for inclusion of tenant farmers from Goa under the Prime Minister PM-KISAN Samman Nidhi scheme. This flagship initiative of the Government of India has been transformative for farmers across the country, providing crucial income support and has been widely appreciated. Goa has about approximately 52,000 cultivating farmers. However, due to the existing eligibility condition requiring land ownership, only about 6,000 farmers in the state currently benefit from the scheme. Under the Goa Agricultural Tenancy Act 1964, tenant cultivators enjoy rights equivalent to landowners for cultivation. They are treated as deemed owners under the state law and are eligible for several state agricultural schemes. Currently, over 20,000 farmers in Goa are registered as tenant farmers, inheritors of tenants or in similar categories. Inclusion of these tenant farmers under PM-KISAN would significantly broaden the scheme's reach, benefiting a large number of small and marginal farmers who form more than 80% of Goa agricultural community. For them, the annual assistance of Rs 6,000 is vital to cover input costs and cope up with distressed situations. Agriculture in Goa is not only critical for food security, but also preserves the state's natural landscape, which supports its tourism-driven economy. I request the government to kindly approve the inclusion of tenant farmers from Goa under the PM-KISAN scheme so that all deserving cultivators get the support they need. Thank you, ma'am.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.